Ghetto and you Hey, it's a blizzard. Gotta shoot a nigga through his fucking head. Give a fuck about a bitch nigga. Hit him with a chopper at his brain cells. Gotta get him dead gone. Gotta shoot him dead at his body. The chopper at his brain cells just go knock him dead. Get him dead gone. Fuck nigga, ain't gon' be at home. I don't give a fuck about a bitch nigga. I'm a big boy blood man. Fuck around and slang out on any nigga. Hit a nigga with a chopper at his brain cells. That's a dead nigga. That's a dead nigga. Don't let me catch you in that blizzard. Shoot you in your fucking head, that's a dead nigga. Hit him with a fire, hit him with that chopper at his brain cells. Shoot him through his head, shoot him through his body, now he dead gone. Hey, I do let her do. Hit a nigga with a chopper at his brain cell, now he gone. Give a fuck about that bitch, the nigga shoot him with the sight on his head, now he dead wrong. Now he dead wrong. Now you get him,